Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and today we will have rather monothematic episode with 4 Porsche. Words all will be electric Porsche Taycan Turbo S in different liveries with collaboration or without collaboration. We will start with my first one. This is Porsche Taycan Turbo S in gentian blue metallic, which for me is just blue metallic, but I'm just male, so all those fancy color names means not much for me. All those models are rather old mini GTs because we will see numbers into 300 range. This is 339. This is my first Taycan, and for a long time it was only Taycan I had in my collection. It's not perfect, but it was almost free for me, and I will show you why. Because sometimes even Mini GT has some issues with models, and as you can see here, there is no blue paint. I think it wasn't properly cleaned before painting, so maybe something fat or something like that was there. Maybe someone touched it with greasy fingers, and I think it is possible because the way you hold it, that would be fitting this theory, but still this is only theory. And you can see here the paint is just getting like a little bit thicker, and then there is no paint in other places, but I got partial refund. I don't remember correctly exactly how much they didn't refunded me. I think it was something between 1 and 2 euro. I have no idea why it wasn't full, but I don't mind. It's just small paint issue. I can put it this way on display, and I have no problem with slightly not perfect Porsche Taycan Turbo S for such a little price. Especially this is really nice model. Of course, it's not my style. In real life, this car have huge issue, and that huge issue is this car is huge. I seen it few times. Twice it was parked beside my car, and oh my gosh, this is big car. It's very fast. I have no problem with this car being electric, not at all. If someone needs electric car, that's perfect. I can understand pros and cons of owning electric car. It's not my price range, to be honest. I can't afford something like this, but enough of watching just this blue one. The next one, let's go to something almost normal, as much as Porsche can be normal. Civilian. This is collaboration, and it's three-way collaboration because we can see Shmi 150, British YouTuber. I watched few of his video, but not like it's something very bad. It's just not my something I would enjoy watching a lot. So model is Mini GT. Box looks like some of those limited Tarmac Works models. Now I think it's Sibal or something like that, recently released in very similar boxes. And YouTuber. All 3 Turbo Taycans we will see are collaboration models. Taycan is now almost 10 years, or it is 10 years old. It started as a concept car mission in 2015, so it's 10 years old. This one, as casting, is exactly same as the blue one. The difference is different color and few small details in livery. Wheels, I think wheels are same type, but it looks like the green one slightly bigger diameter, or maybe this is just because different color, etc., and I am holding it. More differences is in livery. As you can see on blue one, here there is Taycan Turbo S. On green one we don't see it, but we will see gold line on fuel flap. Yeah, that's fuel flap for electricity, but electricity is fuel. Here we have golden elements on the splitter and diffuser. There is registration, so we know it's British. And here we have Taycan Turbo S under Porsche, which isn't on the blue one, and black roof. So that's all, you know. The third one is a collaboration of Mini GT and Tiny, and I think livery is the reason for that collaboration, because I seen a shell livery on Sparky models, Sparky made with collaboration with Tiny, so I think this is reason for collaboration. Licensing could be a little bit tricky and expensive. So this looks like sport car, race car, very nice livery. As for casting, no difference at all, even wheels, it's just different color. Oh, and by the way, on all those wheels, on wheel cap, you can see those beautiful Porsche badges, so and you can recognize this is Porsche badge, not just GWES. Casting wise, it's exactly same. Again, like in green one, black roof, different colors of mirrors in some of those cars, but usually we have black ones, blue one in this one. We have Porsche on windscreen. All cars are right-hand drive. The last one is collaboration of Mini GT and Thai brand Naraya. If I correctly remember, this is like a clothing lifestyle brand from Thailand. Number 399. This one 263, 274. So the highest number was my first one. No, this one. This is a limited edition, unusual one of 9,999, and I bought it because of livery. Some people probably would say, like, you know, that livery is childish. For me, it is very, very interesting. Not something we see too often. Huge blister, even bigger box bigger than the tarmac one, and really great livery with plenty of Thai elephants and some other elements. Very colorful. Its rims are again same, this time black with golden and silver elements, a little bit of golden paint with Naraya, and yellow mirrors, plus black bonnet, I wouldn't call it a bonnet, whatever it is, with some yellow elements fitting mirrors, and bigger elephants. And because of this interesting livery, this is why I bought it. And now looking at my collection, I think I need just one in some brighter color civilian version, and I think this will be all, at least from Mini GT. If some other brands will release it, then probably I will buy it just to have for comparison. Which one of those liveries is your favorite? Or maybe you don't like anyone, maybe, and probably plenty of people don't like Porsche Taycan at all. And explanation: Porsche Taycan Turbo, as that turbo doesn't mean those electric cars have turbo, some kind of electric turbo giving more power for electricity. No, that's just their Porsche way of informing us that's the higher trim levels. This is all in this video. As usual, all the best for all of you, and see you soon. Bye bye.